an award from Dr. Karen. Roji, many congratulations. Thank you Kamal ji, but please दो शब्द जरूर कहिए.
दो शब्द तो बोलने बड़े जरूरी है. Hello, good evening everyone. The place is not fully full, and first of all I'm so proud, and it's my privilege, honor to be getting attached with the name called Mother Teresa. I really from bottom of my heart thank Mr. Edward, Mr. Pramod Singh ji, and Dr. Karen, whom I just met, and all the sisters and Mother Superior and everybody. Thank you very much. I've been in the hotel. I just became, I think I have some time because not many people, so I'll take a few more minutes. And I've been, I was at the hotels for 40 years, and I'm into films from in Mumbai from last 6 years. This is my 7th year, and I've been all over the world. I've been to Italy, France, Germany. I used to work with the ships, so I'm very close to. I've been to a lot of churches. I'm being Hindu. I have been to all the churches, and I have lots of good Christian friends. I've been to mosque. I've been to gurdwaras also. So there's no bar, and the way the work is done. Edward sir, where is he? No, okay. Edward sir, thank you. Great. So many people you fed at COVID, and you are still taking care of 130 families every month. That's a great things to do. And also at Mud, Mr. Edward, you're starting something in Mud, right? So we are always there. Any time, any call, you just call us. We will be there for you. It will be our honor. Thank you very much, all the nuns, madam, sisters, everybody. We don't know, I'm a Hindu, so I don't know how to say, what to say. And Christmas, Merry Christmas to everyone. And yeah, very close it is coming. So have a great day, enjoy yourself. Thank you very much. May the Lord bestow the best on you. Thank you. Amen.
Thank you, Mr. Kamalji. Thank you so much. Request for photograph with Mr. Edward and with Mr. Pramodji. Thank you so much. Thank you, Edwardji. Thank you so much.
Hello. Archana Deshmukh, please come on stage.